What's up everyone? Let's test out our template and see if we have done everything correctly. Now, I have closed everything I had on Autocad, so I'm going to open a new template. So as you remember in the previous video, I had told you that I had saved the template in the desktop, but then I decided to move it in the documents because it would be easier for me to find it later on. And now here it is. So I'm going to open it. Now, what you need to know about this is that when you open this template, it is not the template or the original copy of the template actually. It is simply another copy of your template which was opened. As you can see here, it is not called my first template, but it is called Drawing 2. So this is a very nice thing that AutoCAD does. It creates a copy of your original template just to make sure that you don't alterate your original version and make sure that you don't delete things or change it, okay? Because this is obviously something that you will be using a lot of times each time you want to start the drawing, and you don't want to make edits that will change your template. Now let's say that you are done with whatever you wanted to draw and you want to save this layout. You can simply click on Save, and as you can see, it's going to appear as a DWG file. So you will be saving it as a DWG file actually, okay? And let's assume that you want to change something within this layout here, okay? You need to do it in the original copy. So instead of creating or opening a new template, you will simply click on Open here and then search for the file, which is, I'm going to paste it here. It's going to be easier for me to find it. And I'm going to open it. So this is the original version of the file, okay? So for example, let's say that I'm going to open a new, I'm going to create a new layer called Hidden or Missing Layer, okay? And then I'm going to save the template. So again, if whatever you change here is going to affect the original copy of the template, okay? Because this is the DWT file of the original version of the template. So you need to be careful about that. So if I close this and take a look at the layers in this file, as you can see, the hidden or missing layer is not appearing here. This simply means that if I wanted the missing layer to appear here, I would have to close this drawing first and open it again. Okay, then it's going to be updated and I will be able to see the missing layer as well. So there is one more thing that I would like to test. For example, let's see if the viewport option is working. So I'm going to switch to the model tab and draw anything that you want here. Okay, just to see if this has worked. Now I'm going to move back to the layout, click twice inside the viewport and zoom out, and as you can see, the viewport option is also working perfectly. So this means that we have conducted all the instructions successfully up to this point. Now it's your turn to test out and to create your own layout. I hope that you will have fun doing that, and I hope you enjoyed all these tutorials, and I will see you guys in the next videos for new tutorials.